Hi guys, my name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite a while that I've been uploading fashion videos, styling videos, skincare videos, and now I thought it's the time for you guys to know me a little better. So I decided to do a get to know me video tag challenge, and I found certain questions on Google. These are like basic questions, and I hope through these questions that I'll be answering to, you'll get some insights about who I am like, what I am like. So without wasting any further time, let's begin with the video. So I have certain questions in my phone right now, and these are like very random, like name से शुरू होते हुए कहीं पे भी खत्म हो रहा है. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So the first question is, what is your full name? My full name is Riya Ramnani. Where are you from? I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan, city of lakes. Which of your parents are you more like? I'm like precise replica of my father. Like my mother says, mother says it should be an amalgamation of both the parents, but I'm more like my father, extremely like my father. Next is, who is your favorite celebrity? By far, like till date, my only and only most favorite celebrity is, I would have wanted to say me, but it's Shah Rukh Khan. I idolize him a lot. Next is, who's your favorite person in the world? Grandfather is my favorite person in the world. Like I share everything with him, like everything. It's like having a friend. Whenever I'm like feeling a bit senti, I just call him, like I cry my heart out, and he's like there sitting, listen to me and advise and guide me what has happened and how should I continue further about that situation. So he's the most favorite person in my life. What is your favorite color? I'm sorry, I'm like recording on phone, so I'm looking at the camera and then I'm like, no, Riya. I'm like looking at the screen, I'm like, no, Riya, you have to look in the camera. So yeah, like if that happens, please don't mind. So yeah, answering to the question is, my favorite color is black.
That is like the most obvious answer.
But like I'm trying to add some colors in my wardrobe right now, but I'm like always for solid colors, like basic clothing, always.
So I'm not a person who likes bright colors. I like dim down colors, like subtle colors.
Next is, what is your favorite music genre? I'm a very moody person, so I don't think like एक accurately मैं किसी genre को select कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि it completely goes along with my mood. Next is, what is your favorite song? Again, a number of songs which are my favorite, but right now I'm listening to Lavin Rose continuously. Dil Bechara का मैं तुम्हारा, like काफी blue सा weather हो रखा है, so I'm listening to काफी blue songs. Next is, what is your favorite type of clothing? Again, like I go for solid basic clothing and anything that I find is comfortable but at the same time is classy and very chic. I would want to have that piece in my wardrobe. So my style of clothing will always be classy and very chic and comfortable at the same time. Next is, where is your favorite place to take an out of town guest? So I'm from Udaipur and यहाँ बहुत सारे lakes हैं, but there's one place that is known as Lal Ghat. सब उदयपुर वालों को तो पता ही होगा. And I mean, I find that place so serene, so peaceful. I love sitting there and just looking at the serene nature. What was your favorite TV show when you were a child? Okay, so I'm a 90s kid. So I've grown up in times where Hannah Montana and Lizzie McGuire and Wizards of Waverly Place used to air on Disney. I was obsessed with Wizards of Waverly Place, and who wasn't obsessed with Hannah Montana? Next is, are you more likely to avoid conflict or engage it head on? Depends on the situation. Where a situation needs me to like yell or get involved in, I would definitely, but as I've grown older and I've become more mature, so I would be like rather
chill maro, let it be.
So yeah, now I have become that kind of person. What is your all-time favorite town or city? So other than Udaipur, I would want to visit every place in Himachal Pradesh. Like, it's like people might be obsessed with Switzerland or so, or any other place outside India, but I'm obsessed with Himachal Pradesh. I would visit every place in Himachal Pradesh, every city, every village in Himachal Pradesh. I want to go on a 1 month vacation and just relax there. Next is, are you a good cook? I am quite a decent cook, I would say. Like, I've been home since the lockdown, and it's been quite a routine or a ritual for me that I have to cook one meal of the day. So I would say I'm a pretty decent cook. If you could eliminate one weakness or limitation in your life, what would it be? I would say that I'm one lazy person. I don't have discipline in my life. I don't have a routine in my life. Eliminating my laziness, procrastination nature, me being very lazy all the time, I would want to eliminate it immediately from my life, because that has affected my mental health, my physical health, my emotional health, and in all of a sense it has affected me a lot. So I would want to eliminate that from my life. Next is, who is the first person you call when something exciting happens? Of course, my mom. I'm such a gossip person. Like, anything happens, I'm like, Mama, suno, ye hua. So she's the first person. She's my go-to person for any kind of gossip. Can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows? I mean, like, raising this count or this count? I can do both. Okay. Can you dance? Yes, I used to be a classical dancer back in my school days. I used to do Bharatnatyam and like semi-classical. My form was semi-classical. Do you have pets? Yes, I have 2 adorable pugs. One is Chili and one is Chino. Like, there's this whole story behind naming them Chili and Chino. So yeah, I have 2 adorable and cutest pugs. Who would you tell first if you found a dead body in your garden? My all-time emergency and urgent calls go to my brother. Like, this has happened. What shall I do now? Ab kya karoon? Ab kaise hoga? So, of course, if this is the situation, there will be a call to my brother. Next is, what is your star sign? I'm an Aries. So yeah, sign of fire.
There's fire.
What is something that amazes you? There are many things that amaze me. There will be a list. How many pairs of shoes do you currently own? I own maximum 20 pairs of shoes. I am proud of my collection. What is the one item you can't leave home without? Cell phone. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm a night owl. I can stay up even till 10 a.m, 11 a.m, staying up whole night, and like, I can work. I can be actively working even if I did not sleep the whole night, but I cannot get up early. What did you do for your last birthday? My last birthday was in lockdown, March 30th, and yeah, I was doing household chores, झाड़ू पोछा करा घर का, क्योंकि lockdown का हफ्ता ही हुआ था, and yeah, घर पे केक बनाया, celebrate करा, yes.
Coronavirus will suck.
What was your first job? My first job was in LTI, L&T Infotech, as a software developer. A software engineer, sorry. Software engineer in LTI. What app do you use most? Instagram and Snapchat. If you could go anywhere in the world on vacation, where would you go? Come on, coronavirus. But I really do want to have an anywhere door. So Doraemon के पास हुआ करता था, उसको निकालो, रखो, and कहीं पे भी. But yeah, if I want to go on a vacation, that would be Fiji and Maldives. It's like dream destination for me.
One eternity later.
Next is, describe yourself in a single sentence. I would say I'm a learner, and I'll always want to learn, and I'll always be curious in things that I want to gain knowledge about. Always learning. So that is one thing. What is something you've never done and that you like to try? Of course, there are like many things that is like the bucket list. Like, जैसे कोरोना वायरस वाला situation ठीक हुआ, I would want to go on a vacation and like अच्छी खासी vacation. Coronavirus, Cardi B वाला play करना चाहिए पीछे से. What was your first ever cell phone? My first ever cell phone, like personal, नहीं मम्मी वाला या पापा वाला नहीं, personal was in my 11th standard. BlackBerry Curve. BlackBerry was such a hype in those days. iPhone कुछ नहीं था. BlackBerry था जो था. BlackBerry Curve, you know, my first ever. What was the last thing you bought? Last thing I bought? कपड़े खरीदे होंगे, जूते खरीदे होंगे, इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ बस. What do you do when you're bored? I watch repeatedly Friends. Like I can watch Friends any number of times. So, cats or dogs? I guess I'm both, but I'm having dogs right now with me, so I would say dog. Forgiveness or vengeance? Forgiveness. Chatting or phone call? I used to be a person who likes to text, but now I'm like, yeah, एक text drop करो. If I say yes, and then I don't want to make a conversation on texting. I want to have that conversation quick on a phone call. So yeah. What was the first concert you ever attended? I would say what was the last concert I ever attended? That was like VH1 Supersonic, and उसके बाद भी I guess I attended one पंजाबी concert था. उसके बाद उसके तो lockdown लग गया March में. What language besides your native language would you like to be fluent in? I'm not even fluent in my native language. मेरे को राजस्थानी का ना नहीं आता. मुझे सिंधी नहीं आती. मुझे सिंधी समझ आती है. राजस्थानी तो मेरे यूं जाती है. तो ना, I'm not fluent in either. मैं हिंदी भी इतनी गड़बड़ वाली बोलती हूँ कि मैं इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश का मिक्स. सो या, बट हाँ मेरे को सिंधी समझ में आती है और मैं सिंधी आजकल ट्राई कर रही हूँ बोलना, क्योंकि एक और लैंग्वेज होनी चाहिए ना. तो या मेरे को सिंधी समझ में आती है, मुझे पंजाबी भी समझ में आती है. सो या, बट मैं फ्लुएंट नहीं हूँ. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू व्हेन यू गेट होम? आई एम ऑलरेडी होम, बट इवन इफ लाइक अगर मैं या कंसीडरिंग द सिचुएशन, what the first thing I do when I get home is wash my hands. Wash your hands, people. Coronavirus. What are the top three qualities that draw you to someone new? I mean, the three major aspects that I look in somebody new, that would be their personality, their etiquettes, and their shoes. These three, like, cool, have to have. Next. One thing you know now that you wish had known as a kid. Okay, this is one such question that has some deep meaning or deep impact. And like, I do not want to play with my health. I took my health for granted for a very long time, and then it gave me a punch in my stomach. I was sick for a very long time, and then I realized that रात भर जागना, फालतू खाना खाना, घर का खाना नहीं खाना really does affect your health. Schedule, you have to have a proper system in your life, and that is, I'm trying and I'm working on it. I'm wishing that soon I'm like at a point where everything is like in a schedule, everything is in a routine. I really want that to happen. Next, have you made any new improvements in your life? So I would say yes. I have made really great improvements in my life and my routine, and since we've been home because of this lockdown and the corona thing, and I've spent more time with my family, grounded myself a lot, and like started with meditation, working on my mental health a lot, and these certain small things that I used to feel like I do not have time for, but I'm getting time for that now. I'm spending and putting more quality in those, and yes, it has made really good changes in my life. So I guess that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, because I really enjoyed making this video. And if you do want me to make more fun videos like this, please put down your suggestions in the comment box, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Dude, I need your guys, I need your support. So please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.